how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So welcome back to the new session children, that is 2021 to 22, and hope this year will be very good for you all and for all of us. So children, as you all know that now you have entered in your new class, that is your class 2. So today children, we are going to start with our new chapters, but before that we will be doing some common things which you have done in your previous classes. Okay, so children, first of all I want to give you all my introduction. I am your class teacher and my name is Pooja Mudgal. Okay, so I will be teaching you English in this session. So let's get started children. Today we are going to do formation and alphabets. Okay, so first of all we will do alphabets A to Z, and you all know that we write English letters in two ways. One is in capital letters and the second way is small letters. Okay, so here I have written on the board in both the ways. I have written A to Z, capital also, and in small letters also. Is that clear? So we will first see that how we will write these formations. Okay. Now first is we have written A in capital letter. As you can see on the board, this is A. We have written it like this, starting from the first line and ending it to the third line. Okay. From starting here and then here and a small cut in between. So this is A, capital A. Now this is small a. How you will write small a? We will write a small curve, then up, then down, and then a small kick. Is that clear children? Now we will write next letter, that is B. Capital B, starting from the first line, round, and again one round. This is capital B. The next letter is C. So how we will write C children? You can see starting from the first line, a curve and a kick. Is that clear? This is capital C. And small c we will be writing in between these two lines, curve and a kick. Is that clear? So this we have done with C. Now coming to D. One straight line and a curve. Is that clear? And small d, we will form a small C, then up, down and kick. This is D. Now coming to E. Straight line, then slant, one small slant line, one again small slant line, and the third slant line. Is that clear? This is capital E and small e will be between these two lines. Is that clear? Now coming to F. Straight line, then one small line and another small line. This is our capital F. Clear? Now small f we will be starting from the first line, going down to the last line and then a small backward kick. We will put a backward kick and in between we will cut it like this. So this is small f. Now G. Pay attention children. We will form a curve from the first line. Then we will be going up to the second line, then again back and a cut. This is capital G. Then coming to small g, round children, small g, we will start from the middle line, a small curve, okay, round, then down and a small kick, backward kick. Is that clear? So this is small g. Now coming to the next letter, that is H. So we will start from the first line, straight line, then again one straight line and a cut in the middle. This is H. Now small h starting from the first line till the third line, then back again, a small curve, down and a kick. This is h, small h, okay. Then I, you all know how to write I, children. Starting from the first line, a small dash, then straight line in between and again a small dash here. This is capital I. Now small I, small I will be starting from the middle line like this and a small kick and a dot. Okay. Now J, capital J, starting from the first line we will put a dash, then coming down and a backward kick. This is J. Then small j starting from the middle line till the last line and a small kick and a dot like this. This is small j. I hope you all are getting this, children. Now, next letter is K. K for kite. So, K, a straight line, then one slant line like this and again a slant line towards down. Okay, so this will be your capital K. Now, coming to small k, starting from the first line, moving back, small curve, again down and a kick like this. This is small k. Now coming to capital L, straight line and a dash like this. And small l in a running handwriting like this. Is that clear? Now coming to M. Straight line from the first line, then a slant line, again a slant line upwards and down. Children, coming to small m, one straight small line from the middle, then up, round, down, again up, small round and down and a kick. This is M, small m. Now coming to the next letter, that is N. Starting from the first line downwards, then a slant line again touching from the first line till here and then again one line from top to bottom. This is capital N. Now coming to the small n, children, again as we have written M, in the same manner we will write N also. So, starting from the middle line, then up, round, down and a kick. This is small n. Now coming to O, capital O, around you will draw a circle like this and this is capital O, and in the same manner you will write small o but you will write in the middle. Only two lines will be used for writing small o and a kick like this. Is that clear? Now coming to the next letter, that is P. P for coming to the letter P. So how we will write P? First line and a straight line to the third one. Okay. Then a round like this. Is that clear? So this is capital P. Now small p, children, pay attention on small p. Straight line from the second line till the last line, then up, round, down and a small kick. This is P. Now children, coming to the next letter, that is P. You all know that P for parrot. So how you will write P, children? Starting from the first line, we will draw a straight line like this till the third line and then we will put a small curve like this. This is capital P. I hope you all are getting my point. Now, coming to the next, that is small p. Pay attention, children. We will be starting small p from the second line. Okay? Second line and we will draw a straight line till the last line like this. Then from here, from the middle line, we will go back, round, down and a kick like this. So this is a small p. Now coming to the next letter, Q. Again Q will be formed like O as we have formed O. So this is like O and then a cut like this. So this is capital Q, and small q we will be starting with, from the middle line like this, round, then down slant line and a small kick till the second line. Okay, so this is small q. Coming to the next letter R, starting from the first line to the third line straight, and then like P we have done like this, round and a slant line to the third line. This is R. Now small r children, pay attention on small r, a small line between these two lines, then slant line, down, cut. So this is our R, small r. Now coming to capital S, very easy, slant curve like this, then a small curve like this and a kick. So this is S, capital S. And then small s children, we can write small s in two ways. First like this, a slant line, then like small this and a kick. Okay, or you can write it like capital S also. As we have written capital S, we can write small s between these two lines also. So there are two ways to write small s. Okay, then coming to the next letter T, starting from here, a dash, then a straight line. This is capital T. Then we will write small t starting from the first line, straight line and a kick like this. Then we will cut it from the top. Okay, so this is small t. Now coming to the next letter, that is U. Straight we will go downwards, round, up like this. This is U. Then small u also we will be writing between these two lines. Going downwards, curve, again up, down and a small kick. Is that clear children? Then V, starting from the first line till the third line and again going upwards. This is V, capital V, and small v in the same manner like this and a kick. Is that clear? Now coming to capital W, starting from the first line, a slant line downwards, then slant line upwards, then again downwards slant line and again upwards. This is capital W. Now small w, starting from the middle line, this, going upwards, then again coming downwards and then again going upwards and a kick. So this is small w. Then X, a slant line starting from the first line to the third line and again a slant line crossing towards the first line like this. So this is capital X. And now coming to small x children, we will put a curve like this and a curve like this. This is small x. Now coming to the next letter, that is Y, a slant line from the first line. Then children, coming to small y, please say that we will be starting this from this middle line. Okay, so coming downwards, a small curve like this, then up, and again in the same direction we will come down, back curve and a kick like this. So this is y, small y. Okay, now coming to the last letter, that is Z. Z for zebra. So we will be starting it from this line like this, then a slant line and again a line like this. Is that clear? So this is capital Z, and now we are starting with small z. So starting from the middle line, a small curve like this till the second line, and then a round till the third line, and then a small curve and kick like this. So this is small z. Is that clear children? So I hope you all have understood how to write A to Z capital and in small letters like in the in this formation. Is that clear, children? So this is all for today, and now we will be doing our notebook work. Okay? So this you can see from your next video.